welcome back to Recipes by Aisha. Today I'll be making delicious capsicum with chicken mince. I had few capsicums at home, so I thought to share my family favorite capsicum with chicken mince recipe with you. First, take some oil in a pan and add the one medium sliced onion. Stir fry the onion till it changes its color. Make sure you don't let the onion burn or turn it into brown in color. Once it has changed its color completely, then add 700 grams of chicken mince. You can use beef mince here as well if you wish to. Stir fry the mince on medium to low flame till it changes its color. It took me almost 2 to 3 minutes. Then add ginger and garlic paste and stir fry the mince again for 2 minutes. Let it get mixed with the mince before you add the spices. First add salt as per your taste, then add red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and red chili crushed. Now stir fry the spices with the mince for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame till the spices and mince become friends together. Then add roughly chopped tomatoes and roughly chopped capsicums. Stir again to cook the veggies with the mince and then cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. There is no water added in this recipe as the tomatoes and chicken will release its water, which is more than enough for this recipe to be completely cooked by itself. Now you have to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes to evaporate excess water and garnish with coriander leaves and serve it hot with roti or naan. It smells so delicious and looks so tempting. You have to definitely try this recipe and I will show you how tasty this recipe turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.